In an era where artificial intelligence is reshaping our world, mastering certain skills has become more crucial than ever. Today, we'll explore 10 essential abilities that will set you apart in the age of AI. Chapter 1: Prompt Engineering. Let's begin with prompt engineering, a skill that's rapidly becoming the new digital literacy. Imagine a world where your words are the key to unlocking AI's potential. That's the reality we're living in now. From ChatGPT to Gemini, Meta to DeepSeek, the quality of your prompts directly impacts the output you receive. As OpenAI's guide succinctly puts it, better prompts equal better output, which leads to better performance. Chapter 2: Critical Thinking and Fact-Checking. But here's the catch: with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more sophisticated, so too must our ability to think critically and fact-check. AI hallucinations, those moments when AI confidently states something false, make human discernment more essential than ever. We must learn to verify AI-generated content using trusted sources, separating fact from fiction in this new digital landscape. Chapter 3: Emotional Intelligence and Empathy. Now, let's talk about something uniquely human: emotional intelligence and empathy. While AI excels at logic and data processing, it falls short when it comes to understanding the nuances of human emotion. In the workplace, empathy drives leadership in ways that AI simply cannot replicate. It's the difference between a manager who sees numbers and one who sees people. Chapter 4: Communication and Storytelling. Communication and storytelling are where humans truly shine. We have the ability to add meaning and context to AI-generated content, turning raw data into compelling narratives. Whether in marketing, sales, or leadership, it's our human touch that transforms information into inspiration. Chapter 5: Learning Agility and Adaptability. In this rapidly evolving technological landscape, learning agility and adaptability are non-negotiable skills. AI is advancing at breakneck speed, and to keep up, we must embrace continuous learning. Professionals are increasingly turning to AI tutors and micro-learning platforms to upskill, ensuring they remain relevant in an ever-changing job market. Chapter 6: Workflow Automation. Workflow automation is another area where humans and AI can work in harmony. Tools like Zapier, Power Automate, and Notion AI are revolutionizing productivity, allowing us to focus on high-level tasks while AI handles the repetitive ones. Mastering these tools can save you countless hours and dramatically increase your efficiency. Chapter 7: Data Interpretation and Visualization. When it comes to data, AI is an invaluable ally in gathering and processing information. However, data interpretation and visualization remain firmly in the human domain. Using tools like Excel, Tableau, and Google Looker Studio, we can transform raw data into actionable insights, telling stories that numbers alone cannot convey. Chapter 8: Ethical AI Awareness. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, ethical AI awareness is paramount. We must be vigilant about issues of bias, transparency, and responsible AI use, particularly in sensitive areas like hiring, healthcare, and finance. Understanding the ethical implications of AI is not just a technical skill, it's a moral imperative. Chapter 9: AI-Enhanced Decision-Making. AI-enhanced decision-making is reshaping industries, but it's crucial to remember that AI augments rather than replaces human judgment. In business case studies and predictive analytics, the most successful outcomes occur when AI and human insight work in tandem. It's not about man versus machine, but man and machine working together. Chapter 10: Human Touch and Creativity. Finally, let's talk about the human touch and creativity. As we integrate more AI into our lives and work, a powerful truth emerges: the more AI we use, the more human we must become. Creativity, compassion, and intuition remain irreplaceable human qualities. In a world of algorithms, it's our humanity that truly sets us apart. Chapter 11: Conclusion. These 10 skills: prompt engineering, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, communication, learning agility, workflow automation, data interpretation, ethical awareness, AI-enhanced decision-making, and creativity form the foundation of success in the AI era. By mastering them, you'll not only survive but thrive in this new technological landscape. Remember, the goal isn't to compete with AI, but to complement it. As we embrace these new technologies, we must also embrace our uniquely human qualities. In doing so, we'll create a future where AI enhances our capabilities rather than replaces them. So, as you navigate this brave new world, ask yourself, how can I develop these skills? How can I use AI to augment my abilities rather than replace them? The answers to these questions will shape not just your career, but the future of work itself. In conclusion, the AI era presents both challenges and opportunities. By mastering these 10 skills, you'll be well equipped to seize those opportunities and overcome those challenges. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of AI while retaining their essential humanity. Will you be one of them?